In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Notepad on Windows 11. To get started, open Notepad on your Windows 11 PC. If Copilot is available in your version of Notepad, you'll be able to access writing tools directly inside the app, which can make it much easier to draft, improve, or reorganize text without switching to another program. Once Notepad opens, sign in with your Microsoft account if you're prompted to do so. This step may be required before the Copilot features become available. After you're signed in, you can move straight into working with your text. Next, type or paste in the content you want to use. This can be something you've already written, a rough draft, notes, or even just a short passage you want Copilot to improve. If you want Copilot to generate something from scratch, you can also begin with a simple prompt. Now look to the top right area of the Notepad window and click the Writing Tools icon. This is where you'll access Copilot's text options. From here, choose the feature you want to use. If you select Write, you can ask Copilot to create new content, such as a paragraph about the benefits of artificial intelligence in education. This is helpful when you need a starting point or want to quickly generate ideas. If you already have text selected, you can use Rewrite to reword it while keeping the original meaning. Summarize will condense the selected text into a shorter version, which is useful when you want the key points only. Make shorter trims the text down while keeping it readable, and make longer expands it with more detail. You can also use change tone if you want the writing style to sound more professional, casual, confident, or another available option. And if the structure of the text needs adjusting, change format lets you convert selected content into something like a bullet list, a numbered list, a table, or another supported format. After you choose a feature, Notepad will show a loading indicator while Copilot generates the result. When it's done, review the output carefully to make sure it matches what you need. If it's not quite right, you can adjust the length, tone, or format, or simply try again for a different result. Once you're happy with the generated version, click Replace to swap your original text with the new one. And that's it. That's how to use Microsoft Copilot in Notepad on Windows 11 to write, rewrite, summarize, and refine your text more efficiently.